girl Fabulous Victoria, and I am back with another video. So guys, I know I look a mess right now. It's pretty late. It's 9:36. I'm pretty much up and just going to like kind of organize my room and things right now. And I thought that I'd kind of show you guys along the way. I know my hair is like out and stuff and curly. I mean, you guys have been seeing it in, you know, wigs and stuff like that for a while, but the curls are back out and stuff. I pretty much am going to just be cleaning up my room. I bought some things to help me with organization so I can be a little bit better with being organized. So I'm going to share them with you before I get started on this video. And by the way, I will have all of the products that I have listed in this video in the description box down below. So if you guys are interested, go ahead and check out the description box down below. Oh yeah, and I forgot to say that please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure you guys like this video and turn on your post notifications so you guys can be notified of when I upload. All right guys, so I pretty much got these things here from Amazon. So pretty much you can hang these things up in your closet and keep it a little bit more organized. I feel like I'm gonna need way more than the amount that I got, but you pretty much can hang it either like this in the closet, or you can just drop it down and keep more space in your closet. And that's what I'm anticipating on doing, because as you guys can see, this is my closet and I need my closet to be more organized. So I might not even be able to do everything in one day, and that's not even the half of it. I still have some clothes on my bed from me having to do laundry because, yeah. Don't worry guys, some of this stuff is actually going to Goodwill. Some of it is going in the trash, and some of it I will just be trying to organize and stack in my closet a little better. Next organization tool, I don't really want to take out just yet, but I'll pretty much show it to you guys right before I set it up. But this is actually a little container thing that you can hang in your closet for your purses. And I have these to keep some organization with my purses. So then I have these. These came in pretty much a pack of 3, but there was, I believe, 9 or 12 altogether. I've been using them as I've been going on by the days and stuff like that. But just these nice durable wooden hangers for pants, shorts, or skirts. I got these as well. And I got these ones actually from Walmart. And then last but not least, I got these 30-pack of plastic hangers. And I like the way they are. They're really durable. Not your typical type of plastic hanger, more so like a plastic hanger that you would get from the store. So I'll go ahead and show you guys what they look like. So the hangers pretty much look like this. But guys, without further ado, I'm actually gonna just get started. I'm gonna play some TV in the background and kind of just do a time loop. If I notice that this video is getting too long or that I'm getting a little bit tired, I will be stopping the video and we can just pick back up whenever I decide to start cleaning my closet back out again. But you guys will be able to see the start to the finish. So let's stop talking and get into it. All right, guys, I think I'm gonna stop it here for now, and then I'll pick back up in a little bit to show you guys where the progress is, because this video is going pretty long and I am filming off my phone, so I'll come back in just a few. All right, guys, so I've pretty much gotten a decent amount of my closet done. It's still just getting later and later. Right now it's 10:53, so it's almost 11 o'clock. I think I'm gonna call it a night. So let me show you guys kind of what I got done. As you guys can see, like all of the fall and winterish type clothes are kind of like all set up already. I'm now getting into like the dresses and stuff like that. Cleared out one of my drawers over here and put like a lot of the clothes that I'll still wear, but that, like, you know, I don't really consider like cute clothes that I'm gonna just be wearing for like to be stylish and stuff. I took those out of my closet and put them in my drawer, so then that way if I just need something quick to throw on to go do something, I have it in my drawer. But for to look cute and stuff like that, I have it still in my closet. I'm running out of the little hook things for the closet. I already can tell that I'm gonna have to probably go buy some more from Amazon, but I'm trying to use as many of them as I possibly can till I actually run out. I really only got 4 left, and I know I have way more than 4 worth of clothes here. What I'm gonna end up doing is I'm gonna order some more. Just do this video as like a part 2 or part 3 or how many ever parts I have to do until I get my closet cleaned the way that I want it to be cleaned. I'm gonna pick back up and let you guys kind of see me doing some more. And yeah, so let's get back into it. All right, guys, so I pretty much finished off with the closet, and I used up as many of the little hanger things that I possibly could. And as you guys can see over here, there's just like so much more space now compared to the way that it was. If you guys look over here, you guys see that it's still very much junky. So I'm definitely gonna get another pack of them and just kind of use it for this side of the closet as well, and just do the same thing and just take out everything that I'm not really using. Things that I want to donate those. So yeah, but so far so good with it. It's 11:04, so it took me about 2 hours-ish to kind of get everything together. I'm just gonna clear my bed because there's like hangers and everything all over the place, and just try to like get some rest and possibly come back and just try to like tidy up, see what things that I want to throw away in the morning or whatever. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video of me cleaning my closet like Eminem. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Please be sure to follow me on all of my social medias. They'll be listed in the description box down below, as well as here on the screen. All right, guys, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.